Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to our presentation. My name is Kasbi Anul Gunting. My metric card is 07 DEE17F1035. So today we will be presenting about the students' opinion about social media. Let's go through the introduction. Social media is the one of world communication system that used by everybody. There's a several effect in our life if you are using social media. Example is antisocialist to other people, and the second one is mental health. Social media also make us addicted. The example of addicted is when you are overuse social media, and the second one is you can manage time in using social media. Okay, let's go through the methodology of our survey. The total survey of social media are 60 respondents. 30 respondents for male and the other 30 is for female. All respondents are from electrical engineering department and all respondents are from Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu. Okay, we go to the first chart, which is the topic is social media in part of study, job and business. The chart gives us information about the opinion of social media is a part of study, job and business by the students of electrical engineering department. According to the chart, there are two categories of respondents which are male and female. As you can see in the graph, there are four options of answer, which is the red is agree, the blue one is strongly agree, the green one is strongly disagree, and the last one, orange, is disagree. So next, the percentage of agree rated 42% female and 40 male. Other than that, the following is disagree section was choose second lower that rate 10% female and 6% of the male. So overall, the highest percentage for both male and female is most of them strongly agree with this statement. 47% for male and 46% female. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Brandon. My matrix number is 07 DE171085. In this presentation, I'm going to share you a finding of our mini project which entitled Social Media Affected Relationship. In my presentation, we shall see the result of our finding. As you see in this pie, the strongly disagree is the orange color, disagree blue color, agree, the agree is green, and strongly agree red. In the diagram, we see the male of electric engineering department student have choose strongly agree that smoothly likely have a highest percentage of 53.3, and the female student just in 27 below male student. Agree was in 33.3 on male and 56 for the female student, more than the male student. And the degree of male and female student almost the same percentage. The male student have 13.3 and the bottom of them is female student on 10. Finally, strongly disagree have the lowest percentage of with on 10 of female student and 0 on the male student. In conclusion, most of the choose agree and strongly agree in the graph because they also sense the effect of social media in their relationship. Thank you for your attention. That's all.
Okay, thank you my dear friend, Ray Brendan. Now it's my turn to take over. My name is Badriumat Nizamansin and my matrix number is 07 DEE17F1033. Okay, for my graph, the title for it, how much time do you spend on social media per day? As we know, we always spend countless time on social media per day. So, in this graph, in this survey of the graph, we will know how much time the male student and the female student of the electrical department are spend their social media on. Okay, in the diagram show how much time do you spend social media per day. As you can see, the electrical engineering department student that didn't check their social media are 0. That is for the first statement. Okay, for the lowest statement, the electrical engineering department student check their student once a day. Then the other statement, and the male student are higher than the female student. That's the second statement. Meanwhile, for the third and fourth statement, 3 to 5 times a day is the third lowest statement from the graph. Also, male student are higher than female student. Lastly, the fourth statement, 5 to 10 times. Pause. Oh, salah.
3, 2, 1.
Lastly, the fourth statement. The fourth statement is 5 to 10 times per day they check their social media. And the fifth statement is more than 10 times per day. The fourth and fifth statement have the most highest statement in the graph. In these two statements, the male student are lower than the female student, as we can see. So, in conclusion, the most gender student that visits social media as much as they can per day is the female student. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. So, I will pass it to another presentation. Okay, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. First, I want to intro myself. My name is Josila, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department. My metric number is 07DEE17F1096. Today, I want to present about when do you access social media. Now, we will see the graph and we will know the decision. Next, the graph bar shows the survey of when do you access your social media. In addition, it is clear from statement 1, most of the electrical engineering department students access their social media during the meal time. From the statement, male student higher than the female student. Lastly, in statement 2, as we can see in the graph, female student frequency is higher than the male student, which is they access social media whilst at school. Okay, that's all from me. I want to pass to my another friend. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I will present our mini project for the Communicative English DUE 5012. For our project mini, title is Student Opinion on Social Media. At first, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Mursafon bin Abdul Rashid. Mathematics 07D17F1075. On my graph, what do you see? The graph shows about the different female and male in a post-social media. Firstly, from the graph we know that the high frequency is very few weak, 1/3 of the respondent for the female student, and the male student most likely have the high frequency on the only weekly statement, and the lowest for the statement female from here. The next, on the statement, multiplex time a day only for the female student and 0 for the male student above. Okay. In conclusion, we can say that the female student of electrical department use more social media in the graph above. The more student use less than them. This only for me. Thank you.
We meet again. Okay, that's all from my friends and me. So, lastly, I will talk about the conclusion and the recommendation. First, the conclusion. Okay, based on the survey, we can conclude that the student using social media in their daily life. Social media affect your life if you can control how to use it correctly. It can lead you to the positive and the negative side. So, use social media correctly. Okay, for the final stage, recommendation. Limit the number of social network you use to only those most relevant to your work and your personal life. For example, in the past, I regularly use LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook for the work and plug for personal use. Second, schedule your use of social media unless there's an overwhelming reason otherwise. Don't leave your Facebook or other social media sites open in a web browser. Tap all the time because you can get distracted later on. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.